Okay, so I've started work on my game project now, and I've been adjusting loads of things. You can see I've got a keyboard here which is 49 keys. I've got tracks to give the player a visual aid. Some of the issues I've had at the moment was getting the notes to take exactly 5 seconds to reach the keyboard where it needs to be pressed. That's very simply been set up by this little algorithm here. All the notes, I've got 100 notes that are pooled at the beginning, so they're all created and they just swap over to different arrays. They are activated when they're on the track and then bound to an event, and this just moves. We take the start time, and I worked out the range of position and just map that, and that runs on tick. So it will always take 5.002 seconds, I think it worked out at, to reach the targets. Next issue is getting the note lengths, and what I've set up is a little system whereby we take different values and it reports back to the game manager, and the game manager applies a multiplier which also adjusts note lengths, and I'll run that in a second just for a few moments just to show you, and that should automatically update the notes and it will print off a multiplier for me. And so I'll keep running this system through and recycling it until that multiplier is as close to 1 second as possible. That's how long the notes should play for. So here we go. You can see I've got pooled notes and active notes, and they will change in a second. I'll shut up while this is playing. You'll see the notes actively start to change length. So I'm just going to stop it there and run it later on. But you get the idea of the method that I'm using now to try to get exacting sort of numbers. I could probably use the function up here and work out some mathematics there. So yeah, thanks.